The air feels heavy, shadows grow long, and an unsettling stillness surrounds us. This is our third Urbex in just a few hours. This garage, an unplanned detour, stands quiet and forsaken. A chilling realization hits. Every building we see within a kilometer is abandoned, left behind. Looking at the cars inside, their designs tell us that they've been here since 2000s, abandoned perhaps during the Troika crisis. For those unfamiliar, the Troika crisis deeply shook Portugal's economy. In 2011, the Troika, made up of the European Central Bank, the European Commission and the IMF, introduced austerity measures in exchange for a bailout. These actions, stabilizing at first, left scars on Portugal. Small businesses like garage owners felt the harshest blow. Many shut down, crushed by rising taxes and tight regulations. Every corner of this garage whispers tales of broken dreams and missed chances. Each forgotten car serves as a stark reminder of the real-life outcomes of economic decisions. For Urbex enthusiasts like us, these deserted spots are a treasure, time capsule of a past moment. But the truth, this abundance of forsaken buildings stands as a tragic reminder of Portugal's tumultuous past. What's even more unsettling, with a housing crisis growing, these buildings, these grounds remain unclaimed. No one steps us. No one seeks to rejuvenate them. Urban gems, to some, but to many, a sorrowful mirror of challenges still facing Portugal. In the hush, in the cracks of these crumbling walls, echoes a nation still finding its way back. For Portugal's future, we hope these spaces once again find their former glory and purpose.